Good evening. My name is SD Ratheesh. I was a student of 10th standard, stream ICSE, and I'm always a student of SRI SAI Coaching Classes. Okay, we have got our board marks, and I have scored 91.8 percentage, and my highest scoring subject is History Civics, in which I have scored 97 out of 100, and then Biology, in which I have scored 95 out of 100. So, okay, our life is a game. So basically this board exam is a way to unlock level 2 in our life game. So we play games, many games. In level 1 of a game, we put lot of hard work, too much of effort to unlock level 2, or else we just ask help to unlock level 2. So even in this life game, we have been helped by SRI SAI Coaching Classes, who helped us, who made us work, who made us to do a lot of hard work, so that we have got this satisfying results. And in the same way, we have to thank our school teachers, principal ma'am, who are very supportive in unlocking our level 2. Especially our Vikas sir, who motivated us by telling motivational stories which kept us motivated and always motivated. He is very kind. Even all other tuition teachers who was very kind and made concepts clear to us. In our tuitions, they not only make us study, they do a lot of extracurricular activities. They conduct annual day, sports day, debate competitions, and they give study materials which was very useful to me, and even it would have been useful for others. And they not only they conduct Sunday test, which was we can correct where we go wrong, and they conduct midterm exams and preparatory exams, which I never expected in tuition. So that they conducted all those things so that we can correct it where we are going wrong. We can find out our mistakes. So this is all due to our Vikas sir, Sunil sir, Ranjita ma'am, Chudamani ma'am. It's all because of them I've got satisfying results, and even others would have got. So thank you so much. I conclude by telling a thought: do not go gentle into that good night. Rage against dying of light. What you want, you get it.